Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I just received a package. This just came in and I said I should bring it in so you join me. Let's do the unboxing together. So this package is weighed 6 kg, okay? It's 6 kg and the CBM is 0.06, yeah? And I shipped it by air. Sorry, I shipped it by sea, not by air, right? So let me raise it up so you see how it looks like. So this is how it is. This is how it came. So let's unbox my 6 kg goods. So this is the first item on my package. I can't really even remember what I got, for real. I can't remember. It took 2 months for it to arrive, and since they're all for personal use, so I didn't really jot down or take note of what I was getting. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, Jesus, this is so lovely. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. The feel of this is okay. So I bought this before, the Nigerian made, and it was so strong. Like you can't even use it. You faint. You understand? So it's a tummy wrap. Okay. So guys, you need to feel this. Like it's so good. I don't even know what to say because the other one I got, the Nigerian made I got, but I know what I'm saying. This is so good, like really, really good. Wow. And I'm very sure you can wrap this around you, yeah, and they won't even know you're putting on a wrap, like a tummy wrap around your stomach with your gown on to look sexy, you know. So let's go get to the next one. So let me wrap the little ones first, then we'll get to the big one. What is this? Oh, okay, so the next one on the list is this knife cutter. It's so cute. It's so cute, like really beautiful. It's to sharpen your knife and your scissors. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, it looks really big. Even from, I bought everything from Pindodo actually. So it looks really big, but physically is small and portable. Yeah. So the next one is here. What is this? I can't even remember. Oh, okay. So this is a mini washing machine, and you know those small bucket machine. I'll try and put it on the screen so you see what I'm talking about. Okay. So it's very flexible. It's something that you can just put in your bag when traveling. You know, that you can use in your hotel room or something. So this is it. And this, we're done with this. So on to the next one. Wow, I almost forgot this, guys. These were the sneakers I got. This is so beautiful. These sneakers are beautiful. Yeah, it's for mommy, it's not your size. They're so pretty. I bought 2 of them. So I told the supplier to put in two. Then I told the supplier to put in 2 separate what's it called? Separate colors. So let me see if he did that. If he didn't, then I have to sell one. Oh guys, he did. He did, guys. Just check out. And they're not expensive, guys, so they are really, compared to how much they're selling it in Nigeria now. And the quality, guys, the quality is crazy. God, I wish you can feel it. You can see it, like from the video, you can see that it's really, really mad. So like I said, I got it for myself, okay, since everything is for personal use, so I didn't really check out, like I didn't really like consider the prices and all of that. I had RMB, so you know when you get RMB, but you go to scratch it to order. So yeah, that was what happened. So this is so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. If you want any of these, you can let me know. So just reach out to me for procurement service. If you want anything at all from China, you want to buy for personal use, you want to buy for business, you want to start up your business, you want someone that can, you know, help you get everything, you can reach out to me. Okay, I'm always here for you. My fee is not expensive. Just reach out to me and we talk about it. So before, I used to you know, just answer people on my WhatsApp. You get, once they reach out to me, they message me, they want something, maybe a procurement service or inquiries and all. I do, you know, I do attend to people. Like I don't see anything in it. You know, it's my line of business, and I love what I'm doing. Like I love it so much. Like you can chat me any day, anytime, any minute, and you ask me a question, I will jump and you know answer you and get back to you. But it was getting too much, like really, really much. Suppliers are trying, because for me to complain like this, imagine what suppliers will be going through. Someone will be asking you questions, you know, making inquiries, 2 days, 3 days, at the end of the day they'll ghost you. That was what was happening. So I now took the decision. So if you chat me now for anything procurement, yes, I'm going to answer you and all, but before I would start making inquiries, for like sourcing for you, rather before I would start sourcing for you or telling you the prices for the products and all of that, you have to make a down payment, yeah, a non-refundable down payment, so I know that you are serious. Because if I should tell you how many people have chatted me You know how many people have chatted me. I would help them source for items, send prices, and all of that. You know, for those that are in the line of business, you know the stress you get, and you know the data that goes. Those Chinese platforms, they chop data like winch. You understand? And at the end of the day, 2 days, 3 days, you know, I'll be communicating with them 2 days, 3 days. At the end of the day, they will just go mute, which doesn't make sense. So that was why I made that decision. So if you should chat me up, just know before I start anything with you, you're going to make a down payment of a certain amount, okay, before I'll start sourcing for you. And at the end of the day, if you ghost me, I don't have a problem. I mean, I collected money from you, right? So you won't have to blame me. It's not really my fault. So this is food processor. Like, this was the only one I was looking forward to. I love it. I love it, guys. It's a food processor. So these are the is it the blades or whatever they call it. So it comes with different types of blades, yeah. And this is the plate that comes with it, okay. I've forgotten the size, yeah. Like I said, it's for personal use, so I didn't really take note of the sizes or whatever I'm getting. So yeah. So guys, so that's the end of it, okay. So I finished unboxing. Like I said, if you want procurement, you want someone to help you import, you get someone to help you buy things from China, personal use, for business, you know, no matter how you want to put it, it's still way cheaper compared to buying here in Nigeria. Or even if you're not in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you're in South Africa, any part of Africa or any part of the world that you want to order, you want me to help you procure, okay, just reach out to me and I'll help you go through all the stress. Yours is to just cross your leg and receive your item in your country, right? You don't have to go through any stress at all. Just let me know what you want and I'll order them for you. Guys, this shoe is so fine. It's so cute. Wait, it's gonna be big size, safe. And this came with the receipt too. It came with the receipts. This is it. Came with its receipts. Nice. It's so beautiful, guys. You need to see this. Very beautiful. So that is all the goods that weighed 6 kg. If I should ship this by air, do you know how much it's going to cost me? Oh, I forgot to mention. I paid there's 1,000 naira. Yeah, there's 1,000 naira for the sea shipping. Yeah, but if I should pay for the air for 6 kg, that should be like 2 times, 3 times the price. Yeah, depending on the shipping company. Yeah, so you can see that it's more profitable to ship by sea than air. But if you have the money, you can do the sea. You don't have the patience to wait for 2 months, 2 months plus. You can do air, right? Especially if you're doing it for personal use. You're buying for personal use. You can do your air, right? So thanks, guys, for watching.